You can see this content is at the edge of page corner, and the right of this content page has a lot of space. I want to shift this content left to right with equal space between the left and right edges of page. To fix this, I introduce margins button. A margin is a space between the content and page edge. In Page Layout tab, Page Setup group, click Margins button. Click Custom Margins. To shift from left to right, increase numbers in left box. I select 0.95 inch. Click OK. The little changes in content. I want to shift this content to the middle of page. Click again Margins button. Click Custom Margin. Click in left box. Now click OK. Now it is in middle of page. You can see in Print Preview. Click File tab. In navigation bar, click Print button. You can see in Print Preview the content is in middle of page.